from the police.
Mr.
And
Kiraithe,
there's something I want to...
Mr. Kiraithe, please. This is the statement that was sent to the police notifying of the peaceful procession on Friday, the 17th of November. It was that our clients intend to hold a peaceful procession.
I have read that letter
to
twice.
Receive back,
I
yes.
listened to Miguna. I listened to the people of Mombasa. What you are reading there was a smokescreen. It had nothing to do with the obvious information, not even
So what information did you have about what they wanted to do?
NASA intended to do in the airport.
So what did they intend to do, in your view?
They intended to do what they said.
Which was?
Take 1 million people or even 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 of them to the airport and intimidate, show force, disrupt business. The police had every responsibility to say, we cannot allow this in the form it is being mobilized.
Okay.
If you didn't see that mobilization, then you have taken too long in the newsroom. There's something I want to address.
Let me ask you this, Mr. Kiraithe, because please, let's attempt to have a conversation. You say you are worried about the numbers, but let me remind you of this. And I mean, I think this is common knowledge now in this country that when President Uhuru Kenyatta was returning from The Hague, triumphant after his case had been dismissed at the ICC, then Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Olelenku is on record as asking his hundreds and thousands of supporters to make their way to the JKI airport, same airport, to receive President Uhuru Kenyatta, who had been triumphant at The Hague. So some would say this is double standards. They were also asking for large numbers to go to the airport.
Yvonne, that is the greatest question you have asked this evening. I'll tell you that the cabinet minister was talking as a politician. I was in the airport. What you need to remember is that His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya has a presidential pavilion in the airport, fenced and set aside for such meetings. The second thing I would want to tell you is that
hundreds of thousands of supporters?
We held a lot of meetings. Listen to me. Let me disabuse you of the misinformation you have received. We held numerous meetings between the security and the people who are receiving him, and the crowd inside the airport was actually made of dancers. I want to believe I can come and produce records about that it was not anything more than 300. And those people were very orderly. Most of them were off the public areas. They cleared, you see some bush as you enter to the airport to the right, and when you are moving out to the left. They were so organized that even if you were traveling that day, you would never have known that there is any event at the airport.
All right, your
so
response...
there are facilities, there are opportunities for that. But you